Welcome to the ultimate guide for content creators in 2026. If you want to grow a YouTube channel, the tool you edit with matters almost as much as the ideas you film. Over the next few minutes, you will discover the 5 best video editing apps for YouTubers, covering both mobile and desktop, beginner-friendly options, and professional-grade suites. By the end, you will know exactly which one fits your workflow, your device, and your budget. Before jumping into the list, let us talk about why the right editor actually matters. A good editing app does 3 things. It gives you speed so you can publish more videos with less stress. It unlocks creative tools like effects, transitions, and color grading that make your content stand out. And it fits your workflow, matching your device, your budget, and your current skill level. When all 3 line up, editing stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling fun. Kicking off the list at number 1 is CapCut, the all-in-one editor that has taken short-form content by storm. CapCut works beautifully on both phones and desktops, and a single account keeps your projects in sync across every device. Its biggest strengths are auto captions in over 60 languages, a background remover that does not need a green screen, and a huge library of templates and trending sounds. If you focus on shorts, reels, or fast-paced vlogs, CapCut is an easy first pick, and it even has a generous free tier. At number 2 is DaVinci Resolve, a powerhouse that brings Hollywood-grade tools to regular creators. This desktop app is famous for its cinematic color grading, but it also includes the Fairlight Audio Suite for clean voice and the Fusion system for visual effects and motion graphics. The best part is that the free version alone is more powerful than most paid editors, which makes it perfect for creators who want pro-level polish without a monthly subscription. It runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even iPad. Taking the number 3 spot is Adobe Premiere Pro, the industry standard trusted by creators and studios around the world. Its flexible timeline handles any project size, and the Creative Cloud connection lets you jump between Photoshop, After Effects, and Audition without breaking your flow. In 2026, Premiere leans hard into smart AI features like text-based editing, auto-reframe, enhanced speech, and generative extend that can stretch short clips into longer ones. It is a subscription at around $22 per month, but the power is undeniable. Coming in at number 4 is VN Video Editor, a gem for creators who edit mostly on their phones. VN feels clean and modern, with no clutter and no watermark even on the free version. You get full keyframe control for zoom, position, and opacity, smart templates that speed up repetitive edits, and chroma key support for green screen work right on your phone. It is available on iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows, and it costs nothing to get started, which makes it perfect for brand new creators. Rounding out the top 5 is Final Cut Pro, Apple's powerful desktop editor built specifically for Mac. Its magnetic timeline snaps clips into place so you never fight with gaps, and its playback stays smooth even with 4K and 8K footage on modern Macs. Features like the object tracker and the scene removal mask make advanced motion graphics feel effortless. Final Cut is a one-time purchase of around $299, with a 90-day free trial, so you can test it before committing. Here is a quick side-by-side look at all 5 editors. CapCut and VN cover phones and desktops and are free to start, ideal for beginners. DaVinci Resolve is free or a one-time payment of around $295 for the studio version, best for cinematic looks. Premiere Pro costs around $22 per month and is aimed at professional workflows. Final Cut Pro is Mac only with a one-time price of $299, perfect for long-form content. Prices can vary by region, so always check the official website. So which app should you choose? If you edit on your phone, go with CapCut for trends or VN for a cleaner interface. If you want professional power without paying anything, DaVinci Resolve is unbeatable. If you need a full studio workflow, pick Premiere Pro on any platform or Final Cut Pro if you own a Mac. 2 golden rules. First, pick the tool that matches the device you own today. Second, stick with one editor for at least a month so you can actually learn it. No matter which editor you pick, a few smart habits will save you hours every single week. Learn a handful of keyboard shortcuts for cut, trim, and play. Organize your clips into folders before you touch the timeline. Save reusable templates for intros, lower thirds, and outrows. Use proxy files when editing 4K footage so your laptop stays responsive. Always back up projects to both the cloud and a local drive. And finally, watch the full export once before uploading to catch small glitches that would otherwise force a reupload. That is a wrap on the top 5 video editing apps for YouTubers in 2026. Any one of these tools can power a successful channel, from CapCut and VN on mobile to DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, and Final Cut Pro on desktop. The best editor is the one you actually open and use. So pick one today, start your first project, and let your ideas meet the world. If this guide helped, consider liking and subscribing for more content creation tips every single week.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.